So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video we'll cover another amazing lab that is streaming data to Bigtable. So first of all, just click on Start Lab. Now open Cloud Console in incognito window like this. So here in my case it is getting signed in automatically. Sometimes you may be asked to enter the username and password, so check the lab instruction for this. So let me show you, this is the username and password. You have to enter these things. So basically this lab is very much simple. We will follow step by step method, no need to worry. Just wait for this to activate. Now click on I understand. Now here our console is just loading. So wait for the console to fully load. So now here, basically we have to click on I agree and just click on agree and continue. Now we will be activating the Cloud Shell. So this button activates the Cloud Shell. Now click on continue. Now authorize yourself. So finally Cloud Shell session is live. Now go back to the lab instruction and let's start the lab. So first of all, let me show you. We have to go to the task number 1 and here we will be creating a instance named San Diego. After that we will move forward to the next step. So first of all click copy this and paste over here. So as you can see we are getting late remit exceeded. So don't worry, here is another way to complete this lab. You can create it manually. So for that we have to just click on Bigtable. Just type on the search box Bigtable. Click over here. Now wait for it to open, sometimes it takes more time. Now click on create instance, close this unwanted pop-up, and now instance name, as you can see it's here. Just copy the name carefully and now click on continue. Wait a moment, instance name is San Diego traffic sensors and ID will be San Diego. So just update it. Now here the type is SSD and cluster ID is this. So this has been done. Now for region we have to select US 4, US West 4. It might be different for you, so do check the lab. Here is the updated zone. Now node scaling will be manual allocations and the quantity is 1. As you can see it's done. Now we have to just click on create. So scroll down a bit and click on create. So if you are new to this channel, like the video and subscribe the channel for more such amazing videos. So as you can see our instance is now ready. Now we have to configure the Bigtable CLI. So for that let me check once again. Copy this and paste on your Cloud Shell. So enter here. So now enter this and let's verify the instance. So it's same. Now we are done. Now we'll create a table. Table name current conditions. So just enter here and let's see it's working or not. If you face such issue, just refresh the browser window. So as you can see, we got the score. Let me show you once again. So it's taking some time, but as you can see, we got the score here. Now we will move forward to task number 2, that is stimulating streaming traffic sensor data into PubSub. So now, as you can see, here we have to use this. So basically here we have to use the SSH session. So for that, you have to just open VM, type VM, and click on VM instance. So now here we will be proceeding towards the next steps. Actually, now as you can see here, the VM is ready. Now click on this SSH. Now here, let's run this. As you can see, the file is visible. Now we will clone the repository. So finally it's done. Now we'll set up the required environment variables. So just enter it here. Now this will take some time and finally it's done. Now here we have to start the streaming data stimulator. So basically it will start the streaming stimulator and now we will hit check my progress and see whether we get score or not. So basically it reads the sample data from a CSV file and then publishes it to the PubSub. So I hope you got. So it has been started. Now here we have to open new connection. So how you will open new connection? Click on this gear icon, that is settings. Now here click on new connection. As you can see clearly, here it's mentioned new connection. So just click on it. Now click on connect. So as it's running, as you can see we got the score without any issue. Now here we will be running this command. Now run this. So as you can see this is the file. We don't have to modify it. Just exit it, Control X, and just set the region. So basically we are creating a pipeline that is of data flow. So for that, if you want to see this pipeline, let me show you how you can see this. So you have to click on jobs and wait for the pipeline to open. Let's try to hit check my progress for this task. So it will take some time, you need to wait for it. So as you can see, it's showing success and it's currently streaming. So our job is streaming. Now let's move to the lab instruction and see whether we get full score or not. So as you can see, we got the score. Now here, wait a minute, we have to stop. This is very crucial step, and if you make any mistake, you won't be able to get full score. So as you can see, we have to go to the job, stop, cancel, and stop job. So let me show you how you can stop the job. Click on this job. Wait a moment, it's taking some time, so you need to wait for it. Just click on stop, click on cancel, and then stop job. So finally our job has been stopped. Now we will delete the table instance. So run this. Now again run this and hit Y and then hit enter. So basically we have stopped streaming job and deleted Bigtable data. So it will take some time, you need to wait for it. And once it's done, we will be done with the lab. So it's taking some time, just wait for some time. And if you haven't liked the video, like it and do subscribe the channel. For more such amazing video, let me show my channel. So it's showing cancelling, so you need to wait for some time. Meanwhile, let me show you, this is my channel. And if you have recently participated in the arcade program, you can watch this. This is complete guide of arcade program. Here is about arcade games, and let me show you some playlist about skill badges, swags, and everything is present on the playlist. You can check it out. So let's wait for a few minutes. So it's taking a little bit longer. So as you can see, it's showing the status as cancelled. Now let's hit check my progress again. So as you can see, we got full score on this lab, and that's the way we have to complete this lab. And if you like the way, do like the video and subscribe the channel. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you guys. Have a great day ahead.